In this video, I'd like to show you how to find a file on your computer. Let's say you save the file or folder and you do not remember the specific location where you've saved that file or folder. So the only thing or how to find it is using this method. But before you can use this method, you need to ensure that you know the name of that file. Now, let's say, for example, I have a file that I saved on this computer and the name of the file is My Beautiful Pic. Now, let's say I remember the word pic and I don't remember My Beautiful. That helps us, gives us an idea or gives you an idea to search for the file. Now, hover your mouse to the point where you see a taskbar. Click on the File Explorer. Now, depending on the operating system that you're working with, it could be Windows Explorer. So click on it. When your Windows Explorer opens or File Explorer opens, go to the search box at the top there, click on it, enter the name of the file that you want to search for, that you don't know the location where you've saved it. Now, the name of the file, like I said, is My Beautiful Picture. So I'm going to type there, My Beautiful Pic. The system would search through and produce that particular file that you're looking for. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to know where the file is saved and then perhaps copy it and save it on another location. Now, this is me producing the full name of the file. Now, let's say I only remember one aspect of the file name, which is perhaps pic. It's going to produce all the files that has the word pic in it. So it is now up to you to search through these files and find the file that you're looking for. Let's say I remember the word beautiful, which is also part or an attribute of the file that I'm looking for. It's going to produce all files that has the word beautiful in it. Now you can search through and find the file that you're looking for. If the video helped you, kindly drop me a comment. Let me know if you knew about how to find a folder or file on your computer. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.